Ready? Hey, listen, wake it. Alright. Check. Hey yo, it's strange the way we coming up with pain lyrically, going around killing and murdering Mike. Cause if I don't, who the fuck gon' have that thrill of fight? And now I'm feeling like if I run around and be a clown, like a little mini dad, fuck around with the bullet I had over here rapping fire jazz. If you don't get it every time I wanna come around too fast, but you cannot slow it down. They told me to run around, but even though I roll my thoughts, it's so damn crazy the way that my city be talking and making me mock. And now I'm looking at that feelings like fuck it, I don't have a mind, I lost some sense of time. I just smoked myself a joint. Now I'm feeling like I need to go ahead and spit some flows. Cause if I don't, who the fuck gon' feel like the way I feel? And don't you understand, with a murdering dog, I kill, I don't fight only if I had to. So I'ma do what I do with my crew. And if I make it on my own, don't give a fuck. Cause my family's my own kryptonite. And now I'm feeling like I need to run around, probably grab myself a brew and tripping out. Cause now I'm living life. I'm feeling like my left is right, my right is left. I don't know where the fuck to go. Now they telling me you looking like you came from hell. Well, fuck it, I did. I'm over here feeling it like I need to go ahead and talk your shit. Cause when you do, it ain't gonna help you for right. It ain't gonna help you by life. So every time I come up talking, I'm murdering, killing it every night. And now inside my mind I'm thinking suicidal thoughts. It ain't the same way I come, so now I'm feeling like I need to talk. Murdering and killing, that's the shit that goes to my mind. If my mom and dad are hurt, they probably hit me like, they probably beat me to a different color. Ain't the same, I'ma come around with that pain. Keep them make himself so strange. And now they telling me, wicked, why the fuck you feel with pain? And they don't know, so go ahead and talk your shit. And if anybody hurt me, if they tell me you ain't working, if they tell me you was just a kid, you don't understand shit. So fuck them or whoever fuck you talk. I'ma live, I'm gonna do my rights, I'm gonna live my life. Don't give a fuck what anybody has to say. It's just me, working as hard as I can just to get this pay. Money to make me feel a different way. You see, money could change your friends, make your enemies turn to men. Ain't the same the way you come. See, by any means, I don't need my team to tell me who my enemies. Cause I could go ahead and worry and murder me. Go ahead and tell me what the fuck you think. Even though I'm zoned out, trying to live my life, so I'ma go out. Keeping the murder and talking the way they be coming, the way they be stalking my flow. Never be able to come the way I be ripping. Don't give a fuck, yo. Cause it be true, it be wicked, don't you get it, the name and I come. Now it stick to your brain, sucking around like a sticky icky. Trying to run around, fucking I'm beating the clown. Now sticking to other these bitches, they talking like they really know me now. How the fuck they gon' say like they know us? Even though they really saying like they grow up. Telling me just to fucking grow up. I'm only 14, turning 15, even though the age don't change. Got that family, yo. Don't you get it? All my cousins be my brothers, the way we be coming, the way you be living. Yo, mom, thank you for the shit you did. Thinking for your love, thinking about the trust. Lately you're telling me not to listen to these women, they just want the lust. And now these women fucking craving for the me. Don't you see that it's me? Murdering, don't give a fuck, you see. It be there and I've been going around, up and around like a merry-go-round. Never be able to come and I'm listening, I'm too fast. I'm trying to lower it down. I'm trying to calm down, but I can't smoke, can't even get my mind lifting no more. And don't you see, I'm scaring other people with my crew, telling them say your pee. Don't you see, I'm dressed in all black, y'all be thinking that I'm a creep, but lately I'm falling in too deep. It be me, running the streets, running around, carrying the heat. It be me, don't you see, I'm just trying to live, trying to do the best that I can, but lately I don't even have a plan. So when I come up thinking, and when you saw me ready, I'm coming to rumble it up, don't give a fuck, I'll fight you, Freddy.